Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the Thurrock Council Tax website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in services.thurrock.gov.uk and then press enter. You will then be taken into the official Thurrock Government Council Tax website. Now you will find the login button within the page in the middle section, and you will also find the same button at the top right corner. Click on either one of these buttons and you will be taken into your login portal. Now within the email address section, just type in the email address that you used while creating your account, and within the password section type in your account password. Finally, click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your Thurrock Council Tax website account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot your password button underneath the cancel box and you will be allowed to reset your login credentials using your email address. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the Thurrock Council Tax website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.